Okay, after understanding the basic of banking chapter, let us come to the exercise. That is the exercise second. Okay, the first question. Let me read the first question. The first question is, Mr. Das deposits rupees 300 per month in a recurring deposit account for 2 years at a simple interest rate of 7% per annum. Find the maturity rate of the deposit and find the total interest he will earn after 2 years. Okay. So the question says that we are given the principal that Mr. Das deposits 300 per month, and for how many years he deposited, that is 2 years, and the rate of interest. So we have to find the maturity value as well as the interest earned by Mr. Das. So as we know that the principal, that will be rupees 300 time, this is 2 years, so that will be 2 into 12. Why? Because n is always in months. So if it is given years, then we'll multiply by 12, that is 24. The rate is given 7% per annum. Okay, maturity value. Now as we have seen that is formula, maturity value is NP plus NPR n plus 1 upon 2400. Okay, we can do one thing, like we can take common one thing, that is NP and NP from both. So NP we have taken common, 1 plus R n plus 1 upon 2400. Okay, now let us substitute all the values and just see what we are getting. N is what? This is 300, so 300 into n is 24, p is 300, so same at a time, 300 into 24 bracket 1 plus, what is R given? R is what? 7%, so 7 into n is what? 24, 24 plus 1 upon 2400. Okay, 300 into 24, that is on calculating will get 7200. Okay, bracket 1 plus, then this is 7 into 25 upon 2400. Can cancel this 25 and this one with 5. Okay, n. So what I have already calculated this. Okay, on calculating we are getting 7,725 rupees. Okay, you can solve this one, take the LCM and on multiplying inside we'll get this as a final result. Okay, this is the maturity value. All right, now what is the second question? The second question is, we have to find the total interest. Okay, how we will find the total interest? The total interest will be calculated. Total interest we can find it by subtracting the that is maturity value minus the total deposit. Okay, maturity value minus total deposit. Okay, so maturity value is 7,725 minus how much deposited. So that is how much deposited. See, this is the total deposit. NP is total deposit. So that is 300 into 24. So 300 into 24. 324 is what? It is already 7200. So 7,725 minus 7,200 will give you how much? That is 525. So this is the total interest earned by Mr. Das. Okay, so we have done the first A question. Let us come to the B question. As I see that this B question is similar as of the first one, so just try to solve this one, because all the things, the procedure is same as we have done in the first A question. So let us do the C question. Mrs. Goswami deposits rupees 1000 every month in a recurring deposit account for 3 years at 8% interest per annum. Find the maturity value. This is also the same question, but let us do. Okay, so this is the C question. Okay, so given what is given to us? The principal is given to us. Principal is what? That is rupees 1000. Okay, and what is the time? Time is what? Time is 3 years. Okay, so I told you that if it is given in years, then we have to multiply it by 12. So that is 3 into 12, that is 36. Then rate of interest. The rate is given, that is 8% per annum. Alright, so let us calculate the maturity value. First, the formula says NP plus NPR n plus 1 upon 2400. Let us substitute directly known. You can take common also, okay, or you can directly substitute the values. That is, n is what? 36. P is what? 1000. N is again given 36 into P, that is 1000. Pardon with this voice, okay. Into R is given 8%. N is 36 plus 1 upon 2400. Okay, wait. Yes, this is again 36,000. Okay, we can cancel these two zeros with these two zeros. Okay, so this is 36 into 10 into 8 into 37 upon 24. This 8 we can cancel it here 3 times, and this 3 will be cancelled with this one. This is 12. Okay, so this is 36,000 plus 12 into 10 into 37. Okay, that this 12 into 10 into 37, this is 4440. That is 36,000 plus 4,440. Okay, so on adding, it is rupees 40,440. So this is the maturity value Mrs. Goswami will get after 3 years on depositing 1000 rupees 1000 for 36 months. Now the next question, that is the second question. So second question has two subparts, that is A and B, and they both are same. They are very similar question. So I decided to do the B question. Let us read the B question. That is, Miss Chatterjee deposits rupees 100 per month in a cumulative deposit account for a period of 5 years. At the end of the period, she will receive 7,220. Consider the rate of interest to be simple. Okay, find the rate of interest per annum, and the second question is find the total interest that Miss Chatterjee will earn. Okay, so in this question we have to find two things, that is the rate of interest, and second thing, total interest earned. So let us see the given things first. What are the things given to us? We are doing question number 2B. Okay, let us P, that is principal, is rupees 100 per month. Okay, then second thing, that is time, that is 5 years given. So again 5 into 12, that is 70, 60. Okay, then that is that rate we have to find. Maturity value is given to us, that after 5 years she'll get rupees 7,220. Okay, now we have to find the rate of interest first. Okay, we have one formula. Since market value, that is maturity value is total deposit plus the interest earned. Okay, this is the formula which we know. Okay. So what we have, let us substitute Maturity value is 7,220. Okay, total deposit, can we find the total deposit? Yes. How? By multiplying n. This is n into p, so this is np, and interest earned, let it be like this only. Take np this side, so 7,220 minus np is equal to interest earned. np, n is what? 60, and p is what? 100. 7,220 minus this is 6,000 interest earned. So how much interest she earned? That is 1,220. So this is the answer of second point. This is the total interest earned, that is rupees 1,220. Okay, with this we have to find the rate of interest. Okay, so let us find the rate of interest. Okay, let us write total interest is rupees 1,220. Rate of interest, the first point we have to find. Okay, so as that is the what we have done, the calculation, that is a part of solution. Okay, first question, that is as interest earned is rupees this much. Okay, interest earned, we have the formula with us, that is npr n plus 1 upon 2400. Okay, this is equal to like that. Okay, now let us substitute all the values here. Okay, n is what? 60. So this is 60 into what is principal, that is 100 into r. We don't have r, so let it be r only. N is 60 plus 1 upon 2400 equal to this one. Okay, so 60 into 100 into r into 61 upon 2400 equal to 1220. Okay, this 2 with this 2 we can cancel. This 0 with this 0 we can cancel. This 6 with this 24 we can cancel. It will be cancelled by 4. Okay, then this 61 can directly be cancelled with this one on 2 times, because 61 into 2 is 122, so 2 times. Take this 4 this side, so your r is equal to 4 2s are 8, that is 8%. So the rate of interest is 8%. This is the answer of first question. Then the second question, interest earned total, we have already calculated the total interest earned, that is to 1220. So total interest earned is rupees 1220. That's it. Okay, let us head to the next question. After doing second, we are going to do third, and in third that is 2 subparts are given, A, B, and same as of second question. The third question, A and B, both the subparts are almost similar, so I've decided to do the B one. So I'm reading it. Mr. Rao has a cumulative deposit account for 3 years at 7% interest per annum. She receives rupees 7,977 as the maturity amount after 3 years. We have to find the monthly deposit, and second, find the total interest receivable after maturity. Okay, so what we have to find in first question, that is P, and in the second question we have to find the interest. Okay, so let us first write the given things. Okay, as I have written P, which is not given. Okay, N is 3 years given, so 3 into 12, that is 36. Okay, rate is 7%, and the maturity value is rupees 7,977. Okay, so this is the first question. As we know the formula mark, that is maturity value is total deposit plus interest earned. Okay, maturity value is 7,977. Total deposit is N into P, and the interest earned, the formula is this one. Okay, let us substitute all the values here. That is 7,977 is equal to N. N is what? 36. P. Keep P as it is. N 36 into P. R. R is what? 7. N. N is what? 36 plus 1 upon 2400. Okay. Don't include this value in your this fraction. Okay, this is totally different. 7977 is equal to, this is 36p plus 36 into p into 7 into 37 upon that is 2400. Okay, so what we can do from here, we can take 36p common from both. On taking 36p common, we are left with 1 plus 7 into 37, 2400. Okay, so 7 into 37, it is 259. So I'm directly writing 7 into 37 as, because this 7 into 37 on multiplying will get 259. Okay, then we have to take LCM here. So take the LCM, 2400 plus 259 upon 2400. Then add these two. So this is in multiplication. I'm taking this 2400 this side. When this will be here, so it will be in the multiplication. Okay, is equal to 36p into, solving this bracket, 2400 plus 259 will give you 2659. Okay, this is in multiplication. Okay, when it will come here, it will be in denominator. So what I'm doing is, I'm rubbing this multiplication, and this multiplication will go in the denominator here. So it will be 2659. Okay, this calculations you know how to do. Okay, so try to solve it in the rough copy. Then also one thing we can do, this 36p, this 36 into p, this is also in multiplication. So you can take this 36 in the denominator. So then you will get the value of p. So what I'm doing, I'm rubbing this 36 which is in multiplication, it will go here in division. Okay, now you have to calculate this. I'm directly answering you. This is the final answer which you are getting after calculation is rupees 200. Okay, so the principal is rupees 200. Now you have to find the total interest earned. So how we will find the total interest earned? By using this formula. The second question. Okay, so second question. Okay, let me do the second question. This is NPR n plus 1 upon 2400. N is 36. P, we got P as 200. Okay, so 200 into rate is 7%. This will be 36 plus 1 2400. This 2 zeros to 2 zeros, this to this, that is this will be 12, and this 12 you can directly cancel with 3. 3 into 7 will give you 21. 7. So finally you will get On multiplication you will get 777. So this is the total interest on after how many years? 3 years. Okay, after doing the third question, let us come to the fourth question. Now I'm reading the question, that is, Mr. Prabhakar opens a recurring deposit account of rupees 300 per month at 8% simple interest per annum. On maturity he gets 9,930. Find the period for which he continued the account. Okay, let us first write what all things are given to us. Okay, given P is given to us, this is 300 per month. Okay, rate, what is rate? This is 8%. And how much maturity value? The maturity value is given rupees 9,930. We have to find the period, that after what period he get the maturity value as 9,930. Okay, principal amount is 300 rupees, 300 per month, rate is 8%. Okay, let us start. Since this is a different kind of question where we need to deal with quadratic equation, we know the formula of maturity value. What is the maturity value? Total deposit plus interest earned. Okay, what is the maturity value? This is 9,930. What is the total deposit? Number of month into principal amount plus interest earned. What is the formula of interest earned? NRP bracket n plus 1 upon 2400. Okay, we need to find the n here. Okay, because we don't know n. Substitute all the values, that is 9,930 is equal to n into p is what? 300 plus n into what is r is 8%, p is 300 bracket n plus 1 upon 2400. Okay, this is 9,930, this is 300n plus 8 into 300 will give you 2400 into n plus 1 upon 2, sorry, 2400. Okay, then this 2400 to 2400 it will be cancelled. Then this will be 9,930 is equal to 300 n plus this n bracket n plus 1. Okay, so this n plus 1, this will be multiply n inside the bracket, this is n square plus n. Now this 300n and this plus n will give you 301n. Take this 9,930 this side, or writing it as a equation, then this will be n square plus 301n minus, sorry, 9,930 equal to 0. Now we need to find the value of n. Okay, so in the ninth class we have done such type of question. Okay, where we have found the value of x, y, whatever. Okay, so here also we have to find the value of n. So here we will get the two values of n. Why? Because the degree of this equation is 2, so the number of solutions will also be 2. Okay, so let us find the two values of n here. This is a quadratic equation. Okay, what we have to do, let us take the LCM of 9,930. What we do, we multiply a into c, and then we find the factors of that particular number, and with those factors on multiply, on adding or subtracting, we bifurcate this number. Okay, so let us do, after this one, let us take the LCM of, I'm rubbing this here, writing the equation here, n square plus 301n minus 9,930 equal to 0. Now let us take the LCM of 9930. Okay, from here what we can do, or else no need of taking LCM,
what we can do is we break this 301 in such a way that on multiplying we get this as a number. Okay, so I think you will be more handy by such equations if we will do the quadratic equation. Okay, if you have the quadratic chapter this year, so there are certain methods, two methods for finding the solution of the quadratic equation, so do no need to worry about it. We'll further study about the quadratic equation and we'll do it. Okay, so right now as I see that this one, this 9930 and this one 301n, this 301n can be written as minus of 331n and minus of plus of 30 and minus 9930. Now how I have found this one? Okay, this will be very comfortable for you if we will start the quadratic equation. We'll start the quadratic equation. Okay, we are planning to do that chapter. Okay, in that chapter all the things will be clear to you. Okay, so right now you understand here that this plus 300 1 n is can be bifurcated as uh, can be bifurcated as a minus of 301 n. No, it will be this will be of positive and this will be of negative. Okay, because minus of 331 minus plus of this, that will give you a minus of 301. This will be positive and this will be negative. Okay, yeah, so from here you take n common, so this will give you n plus 331, and from here you take 30 common. From here you will get n plus 331 equal to 0. Okay, so this will be n plus 1, n plus 331, take this one also common, and n minus 30, this is equal to 0. Okay, put this equal to 0 and this also equal to 0, so n plus 331 equal to 0 and n minus 30 equal to 0. From here we got n is equal to minus of 331, and from here we got n is equal to 30. Now this is inadmissible. Why? Because the number of periods is never in negative. Okay, so this is our correct answer, like this. Okay.
Alright, now let us come to the next question, that is fourth B I'm doing. So it's Miss Sarkar opened a cumulative deposit account of monthly installment of rupees 200 at 9% per annum, simple interest. She earned a total interest of rupees 1764. How many installment did she pay? So in this question, we are given the principal amount, that is 200, rate is given 9%, and the total interest we have to find n, because how many installment did she pay, so we have to find the number of installments. So here I have written given thing, p is rupees this much, rate is this, total interest is this, and n be the installment. Let us use the interest earn formula. Okay, interest earn, what is the formula of interest earn? We know it is npr bracket n plus 1 upon 2400. Okay, what is the total interest earned? This is 1764. N, what is n? Let it be n only. P is 200, so this is 200. Rate is 9%, and n plus 1 upon 2400. Okay, now what we have to do, what we can do from here, this 2 zeros to 2 zeros we can cancel. Okay, and this 2 with this 12, now this 2 can be cancelled by the table of 3. This is 4. Okay, now also what we can see, that this 3 can be divided by this one, so let us cut this also. So it will be 5 to carry here, then it will be 8, then 2, 8. So we are left with 588 is equal to n plus 1 by 4. Take this for this side, so 588 into 4, when this will come here, so it will be on multiplying, it is 2352 is equal to, multiply this n inside, this is n square plus n. Now take this term this side, so n square plus n minus 2352 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. Again, I told you that the quadratic equation chapter, when it will come, that will be more clear to you. So right now, to understand here what I'm doing, this 2352, on finding the factors of 2352, I'm getting 49 and 48. And if we subtract 49 from 48, we are getting 1. So as we have done in the 9th class, that we find the factor of this, and with the help of those factors, we, on adding or subtracting, we try to get this middle term, and we split this middle term in that way. So this n square plus 49n minus 48n minus 2352 equal to 0. Now from here, what we can do, taking common, so taking n common, so this will be n plus 49, and taking 48 common from here, n plus 49 equal to 0. Now n plus 49 again we can take common, so inside the bracket we'll get n minus 48 equal to 0. Now put this is equal to 0, and this bracket is also equal to, so n plus 49 equal to 0, n minus 48 equal to 0. From here we are getting n is equal to minus of 49, and from here we are getting n is equal to 48. Now the monthly installment is never in negative, so this answer is inadmissible. N is equal to 48, this answer will be accepted as the answer. Okay. Now let us come to the fifth question. The fifth question says that Ajit deposited rupees 200 per month in a bank for 6 months under the recurring deposit scheme. Okay, so he has deposited 200 per month in a bank for 6 months. So at least we can understand that 1200 rupees are deposited, and our answer should be more than 1200. That is a confirmation kind of. Okay, what will be the maturity value of his deposit if the rate of interest is 6% per annum and interest is calculated at end of every month? This is very important. The interest is calculated at the end of every month. That means for 6 months we have to calculate the interest separately for that principal value. Okay, rate is given 6% per annum. Okay, now let us start with whatever given things. What is the monthly deposit? Monthly deposit is, this is fifth question, this is the monthly deposit of rupees 200. If the rate is 6% per annum, then what we have to do, and this is also the one important thing, per annum is given, and in the question the interest is calculated at the end of every month. How many months are there? 12 months. So the rate will be changed. That means 6 divided by 12 we have to do, because this is for per annum, per year, and we have to calculate for per month. So that is why we are dividing 12. So this will be 0.5%. Okay. So, and what is the time for 6 months? All right. So let us calculate the interest for the first month. So interest for first month. What is the simple interest formula? P into R into T by 100. What is the principal? 200. What is the rate? Half. Time. Okay. Time will not be 6 months. It will be 1, because we are calculating for the first month. And it will be 1 throughout the solution. For every month we'll take T as 1. So from here 2 zeros to 2 zeros, 2 to 2, 1. So rupees 1. This is the total interest. So after depositing 200 rupees and getting 0.5% as an interest, he is getting rupees 1. Okay. So for first month, maturity value is 200 plus 1. This is 201. Now let us come for the second case, that is interest earned for second month. what will be P? P will be this amount plus whatever he will give for the second. He is giving 200 rupees every month. Okay, so this will be what? 201 plus 200, this will be 401. Okay, now again, what is the interest formula? Simple interest, that is P into R into T upon 100. So this is 401 upon 200. Now as this is not divisible, but what we can see from here, in rupees, the answer will come in rupees. So we can write this is approximately equal to rupees 2. Okay, take it as approximate rupees 2. So how much money, that is maturity value will be what? This 401 plus 2, this will give you 403. Now this will be the new principal for the second month. Okay, this is interest earned for first month, interest earned for second month. Now what will be the interest earned for, I'm making changes here only, third month. Again, simple interest PRT upon 100. What will be, what is P here now? 403. 403. Same. From here, what we will get? 403 upon 2. Wait. For the third month, what will be P? Sorry, P will be 403 plus 200, because he has deposited 200, no? So this is 603. Okay, sorry, this is 603 into half. So this is 603 upon 200. From here you will get the answer approximately 3. Okay, so what will be the maturity value? This will be 603 plus 3. This is 606. Now interest for fourth month. What will be the interest for fourth month? First of all, principal. What will be principal? This 606 total deposit plus the monthly installment. Okay, this will give you 806. All right, and from here simple interest will be, this will be P into R into T upon 100. 806 upon 200. This will give you somewhere rupees 4. Okay, then this 4 will be added. So what will be maturity value after fourth month? This will be the 806 plus 4. This will give you rupees 810. Now for the fifth month, it will be what? For fifth month, what will be P? This money plus the 200 rupees. So this will give you 1010. This 1010, again simple interest formula, half into 100 upon 100. So 1010 upon 200. This will give you rupees 5. Okay, then what will be the MV maturity value? This will be 1010 plus 5. So this will be 1015. Okay, now the last, sixth month. Let us calculate for the sixth month. What will be the P? P will be this amount plus 200. Okay, this will give you 1215 rupees. 1200. Simple interest formula again. 1215 upon 200, this will give you somewhere 6 rupees. Okay, now the final stage, this is the final result after interest after 6 months. So maturity value, final maturity value, what will be the final maturity value? This will be 1215 plus 6, this will give